Because anxiety is a conditioned response, similar to Pavlov's dog, a man called Ivan Pavlov. He was a Russian physiologist. He wanted to do some research into dog saliva, so he got some dogs, tied them up, sprayed meat powder into their faces. He found that after a while, the dogs would salivate when they heard the bell. I presume he set an alarm or something to remind him to spray meat powder in their faces at set intervals. And he found that after a while, the dogs would salivate when they heard the bell. He didn't need to spray them with meat powder anymore. And this is a conditioned response. So with anchoring, we can create an anchor, and you can become conditioned to feel calm, at ease when you fire that anchor. So what I'd like you to do is to make yourself comfortable. Take a few deep breaths, breathing all the way down into your stomach. Breathing out with a big sigh. When you're ready, you can allow your eyes to close. With eyes closed, you can remember times from the past, times when you felt relaxed, at ease, times when you felt successful, when you had an achievement, you felt confident, maybe becoming the most relaxed or confident you've ever been. Allowing yourself to really observe that version of you. How was your posture when you were more confident? How were you interacting with people when you felt calmer? Observing that version of you. Can't think of a time when you've experienced these things. Maybe there's something in the future, something coming up when you know you'll be calm and confident. Maybe you can just make something up right now. Drift down and connect with that version of you. See through their eyes. Feel what you feel. Really allow those positive feelings to increase. These feelings of calm, feelings of confidence. Yes. Then open your eyes, coming all the way back to the here and now. Now we're going to do that again, but this time when you connect with that future version of you, when you're really feeling those feelings, I want you to set an anchor. You can do this by touching together the forefinger and thumb of your non-dominant hand. You could do it by tugging your earlobe. You could do it by making a fist, whatever works for you. You're going to set your anchor doing it that way, but you want to make sure it's not something you do on a regular basis. It's something different, something that you're going to use just for this purpose. So again, taking a deep breath in, breathing out with a big sigh, allowing your eyes to close, and once again connecting with that calm, confident version of you, seeing through their eyes, hearing what you hear, seeing what you see, feeling what you feel. Those feelings are at a maximum. Go ahead and set that anchor. And together the forefinger and thumb, tugging the earlobe or making a fist, whatever works for you. It could even be an image you picture in your mind. That's right. Now, opening your eyes, coming all the way back. Now we've set that anchor, it's time to test it. I want you to think about something that causes you mild anxiety, nothing too serious, just something mild. And again, close your eyes, imagine yourself in that mild anxiety-inducing situation and fire that anchor by touching together the forefinger and thumb, tugging your earlobe, making a fist, whatever you did to set the anchor, you're going to do it now to fire the anchor. Notice how those feelings can change. That's right. And the more you set the anchor, the more you touch together that forefinger and thumb when you're feeling confident, positive, the stronger the anchor is going to become, the more you're going to be able to use it in anxiety-inducing situations. If you haven't already, open your eyes, coming all the way back to the here and now.